Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's a rainy day here in Long Island. This is the beginning of the remnants of Hurricane Ida that just hit the Gulf Coast, and we're getting it a couple of days later. It should be pretty wet today, so I figured it's gonna be wet anyway. I'm gonna whip out my power washer today and clean up this deck, because I do plan on eventually painting this deck black, because the lawnmower that I have is beige in color, and I don't really know why there is a red deck, you know. Maybe he got it as a replacement from something else, you know. So I'm gonna paint this deck black, but we have to get rid of all the soot and crap that's been on here for years. As you know from a previous episode, the engine on that lawn tractor, was a Briggs V-twin 22 horsepower. Had 2 blown connecting rods, and the trauma from it breaking has damaged a lot of parts in there, so the engine is unsalvageable. But lot of great parts here that I can sell on eBay, and I don't anticipate getting another V-twin engine to use these parts for. Very seldom do I get V-twins, you know. But those covers over there are worth a lot of money. Both left and right heads, the flywheel, the carburetor and intake manifold, as well as the sump cover and the pistons seem to be good. So cleaning them up so I can list them on eBay. And also the chassis, the lawn tractor itself without an engine is yucky. So we're gonna push the tractor out too. I'm gonna connect my electric power washer, only because it's conveniently right here in my garage, you know what I mean? All I have to do is just pull out a garden hose, connect it on there to power, and we're in business, you know? And the pressure's not so bad, so that when I clean parts and stuff, things won't go flying all over the place that I'll never find again. So it's perfect for cleaning parts, you know, not heavy duty power washing. That's right, here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them into the garage. And sometimes we push them back out again. Hey, you can't always get a good engine on the stuff you find, right? I want to remove the muffler, because it has 2 holes. When you do the power washing, you don't want to put the water in the holes. Unfortunately, it won't come out. And we don't know what kind of engine we're going to be putting on here in the near future, right? So we may not need this kind of muffler anyhow. Well, let's just remove this muffler so I don't damage it with rust. Ooh. That was easy. As you can see, one of these mufflers is a dual exhaust pipe entry, right? And a dual kind is for the V-twins. Sometimes you might be able to fabricate some kind of attachment on here for an opposed twin. But either way, these dual input mufflers are very valuable. Since we're going to be putting on a Kohler Courage 20 horsepower engine, we're going to need a different kind of muffler system. Actually, it's a good thing I've removed this, because look, it's kind of damaged anyway. It needs a little bit of like straightening out on it. You know what I mean? Gotta bang this straight again, that's all. Not a huge deal. Just some bendage. May need to adapt it a little bit more later when we figure out what engine we put on here. but it's now straight. So 9/16. There we go. All right, let's get that power washer out. Just took me about 15 minutes to drag this stuff out of here. I hate power washers, man. It's such a pain in the balls. Gotta connect this, connect that, whip that out, get the water hose, turn it on, connect it, then go back there to turn it on. There's gotta be an easier way to power wash things, man. Like a handheld gun that has water attached to it or something. You just turn it on and go, you know what I'm saying? This stuff's for the birds. I hate it. Now I gotta go turn the water on. So it doesn't work. Oh my God. My snake hose is DONESKI. Oh my goodness. Now what am I gonna do? Okay, so I cut the part that was broken, slipped it over the nozzle, put a hose clamp over it, cut the end so it'll fit through the brass ring, put it back on. There we go, fixed it. So here we go. I power washed everything. Looks really good. Even on the inside here, amazing. There was just like so much crap built up there. Now everything looks nice and clean, you know. Wheels too. It's not a bad tractor, you know. Over here we had tons of like, I guess it was mud or dirt or something, man, just built up over here, you know. And then once you clean this up over here, right, look at the seat. Seat looks good, you know. Pretty pleased with it. Look at this, here's the deck. Deck looks good too. It's a little coat of black paint. It's gonna be like, this is gonna be like brand new, you know. I really didn't think this out too much. I shouldn't have parked the car so close because oil and stuff and debris was getting all over the place. And I really didn't think this through too much. I got oil smears all over myself. Oh boy. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So that's it. That's all I could do today. Just dragging this thing out, power washing everything. Had a little bit of a hiccup when my hose broke. Instead of me going to Home Depot to go buy another one, I clipped it and reattached it, and now it works. That took a while. I made an absolute mess of myself. I'm gonna spend the next hour or so just trying to rub out the oil all over myself, you know. And these clothes are trashed. Got the deck nice and power wash clean, so we can just give it a nice coat of black. And also some of the parts that I had that I was going to sell on eBay were filled with oil, so I just washed it out a little bit so it looks better for presentation when you list them on eBay. I should get some pretty decent coin for the parts from that engine. This thing is now nice and clean and ready for an engine to be mounted. Next episode, I'm either going to go back to my cousin Eric's house to fix his riding mower, or I'm going to put an engine on here. It depends on how I feel, what the weather's like, and all that other jazz. But thanks a lot for joining me on today's brief episode of power washing my equipment, fixing a water hose, and making a complete mess of myself. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.